Okay, what are we having? What are we having for breakfast, Rhiannon?
Waffles and coffee and waffles and scrambled eggs and cheeseburger and cheese.
What's right there under your hand?
A waffle.
And
a pie. We have a waffles for the breakfast and some tea.
And what are our potatoes going to be?
Tater tots.
Okay, so we're having waffles, tater tots.
I said I'm going to eat them. They are my breakfast.
What do I get to eat?
You're going to eat some chicken.
I get to eat chicken for breakfast?
And Reese is going to have some apple.
Does Reese know he's having an apple?
Hey, bud, you're going to have an apple. There you go.
What did you say, Reese? Did you say thank you? I don't think Reese wants an apple for breakfast.